Welcome to the third and last video from the Motiva RealPerception series. The Pack3 is specialized on stereoscopic production. Creating a stereoscopic image with RealPerception is as easy to connect the regular image with its depth. RealStereo is the right node to do this. That's all. Eye distance controls the separation between eyes. The higher value, the higher 3D effect. But warning, excessive values can produce images that are uncomfortable to be seen. Convergence defines the cross of the eyes, is recommended to keep it at 1.0. In-out offset defines what parts of the footage are out of the screen, and which ones are behind the screen plane. There is a fast way to detect where the screen plane is placed, the position where the colors are converging. The given result seems to be an anaglyph grayscale, but you can change it by selecting another output mode. There are some different anaglyph modes. Interlaced modes. Side-by-side used by modern screens. And separated. About anaglyph, there are not only the classic grayscale, but others like color, half color, or more advanced ones like optimized Wimmer improved, Du Bois least squares, or the new fella's coherent perception. Coherent perception is the best mode measuring the quality and retinal rivalry, coherence, luma preservation and color transmission. Unfortunately, coherence and color transmission are opposite, that's why coherence deviation control exists. The highest value, the more color transmission, but less coherence, what means more retinal rivalry. Draft mode gives fast but good results. Meanwhile, swap eyes changes the left and right views. Doing stereo 3D footage using this method is not only faster, since you don't need to render twice, also you can tweak the values without re-render the entire plane. Notice that it has other advantages, like make stereoscopic images from footage with lots of post effects, even manually added ones, or traditional painterly or photo. Let's see a complete workflow. Real Camera from Pack1 gives us a better color scheme. Real Deep from Pack2 works really great with stereo 3D images since it allows to define the shapes so much better. Finally, we convert it to stereo 3D. Of course, we can choose side-by-side as output method, to get a result compatible with modern stereoscopic screens. Maybe you can consider to use anaglyph methods since they are cheap, they can be easily used in printed media, or just for preview purposes. But what happens if you already have the left and right images? They could come from stereo rendering or from real photography. That's not a problem, you can use RealCombiner to blend both images. Notice that it could be used in conjunction with RealStereo. Split the images in left-right, apply view-dependent post-production as depth of field, and combine them again with RealCombiner. The last node is called RealMove, it fakes small movements and rotations over an image using its depth. The first two controls are used to set the amount of effect. Meanwhile, the other two defines the pivot. Pivot 0 means pure rotation, and pivot 1 defines pure parallax movement. This kind of effect it's great to generate render-free footage for product presentation, or archviz images. Here we have mixed this tool with a small zoom animation. As an appendix, we'll present the use of the tools inside Sony Vegas. Others like the Foundry Nuke needs no further explanation, since they are node-based and the usage is the same as in Ion Fusion. Real Camera from Pack3 is used as a regular video FX. You can apply it with a simple drag and drop. And the controls won't change. The usage of the tools that need a depth layer is a bit less intuitive. You need to generate a new track, and add the depth over the regular render layer. Go to Composite mode. Choose Custom. And select the effect. The rest of the workflow doesn't change from the one we've presented. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video covering Motiva RealPerception. Bye.